On match day, I'm a box of emotions. I'm so excited and nervous and have the butterflies, but at the same time, I can calm myself right before the game time and get in the zone.
On a match day, I'm very nervous, I guess you can say, and I'm to myself, and I'm just listening to music and trying to get focused for the game.
On a match day, I'm very calm and very relaxed. I try to just focus on what I need to do during the game to be the best for everyone else on the team.
On match day, I'm definitely very excited and just a crazy person.
My craziest reaction would be probably one of Kayla Grimsley's crazy goals, just picking her up and swinging her in the air. And
my craziest reaction after a match would probably be when I played on the provincial team for Team Ontario, and we were at nationals and we won the national championship. Just holding that trophy up and saying that you're the best in the country was just an amazing feeling.
I think the craziest reaction after a game was scoring a goal, winning, and then being completely blindsided by a teammate and like both falling over together. That was pretty crazy.
My favorite part of a game day is everything, but mostly getting to run out when they call your name, and then you listen to the national anthem, and then you get ready to play. And before the whistle blows, you just see your team in front of you, and it's like, okay, we got this, here we go.
My favorite part of game day is probably the hype in the locker room beforehand. We got music playing, blaring, we got everyone dancing as they're getting ready, people just jumping around and being crazy. It's basically like our way to get our nerves out.
My favorite part of game day is probably coming out of the tunnel. It's always like an adrenaline rush.
My favorite part about game day is probably getting warmed up, getting all the hype, and just starting and seeing if we win or not.
My favorite part about a game day would be the game itself and the atmosphere. We get a lot of fans at Stone Stadium. We have a great community behind us. And when they cheer for you and they're happy to see you when you walk onto the pitch, it's really, really fun.